How to fix Valorant connection error code 81. And if you want to fix it, it's easy. First all you need to do, just type here Windows security, go to virus and threat protection, and then click manage settings. Scroll down, click exclusions, add an exclusion file, and here you need to find Riot Games folder and then click on it. Valorant live shooter game binaries Win64, and here click on it and click open, and that's it. Close this window and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix it, all you need to do, just type here services and then scroll down. Right click on VGC and click restart, and after that right click again and make it automatic, and then click apply and OK, and that's it. See you in the next video.